This video may be most valuable video you have ever seen. If you have spent 5 minutes watching the video today, you can make a thumbnail like this. At the beginning, I enter the pixellab app. I will show you how to download the app at the end of the video. Click on 3 dot in the corner, then click on image size and select YouTube thumbnail from customs. The background your thumbnail has been created. If you don't like this background color, then you can give the color according your choice. Click on color. There are many different colors here. If you want, you can select from here, or you can select according your needs. Here you can create a background by mixing two different colors as shown in the video. If you have any problem, you can comment. I will help you. Click on OK. After everything is correct, then you need to write the required text your thumbnail. I show one by one from beginning to end. Click on the plus icon. Enter the text you need. I will add background to your text and select font according to choice so that it look more beautiful. And taking all the text one by one like this as shown in the video. Don't forget to tell us how you like the video. I hope you have already subscribed. Now the real thing. Add image to your video. Subject matter. What do you want to show in the video? Add the image. As I show how to create thumbnails, that's why I am giving some thumbnails that I made so that the audience can understand what is the video for. After giving the image, I am giving some arrow marks so that the thumbnails look better. Here I am using a shape, although it will not be a problem if it is not given. It's too much. Now learn to save. Click on custom and select ultra. Finally click save to gallery. Now show how to download the software. Search pixellab in Play Store, then download it.